I better do my intro before I get any closer. I'm gonna have to walk from quite a ways, not too far. These deer around here are used to the quads, so I remember like 2 years ago I dropped off my brother. We drove right up to the stand. I let him get in the I let him get settled in and then I took off. As soon as the quad went away in the distance, he said, and a deer came out. So I'm gonna have to walk, but that's no problem. Seems like I'm complaining. I'm not, I promise. But first sit. Beautiful morning. It is 9:30 right now. I woke up at 6:30. My alarm came on. Looked outside. We had south wind, and that's no good for this stand. But it's coming out of the west now. Well, still like southwest. But I've been waiting to go sit, and I can't wait anymore. So I'll go for a few hours. These deer have been coming out around lunchtime, close to lunch, according to my camera. So that's the plan. I'm all set up. Just got my camcorder on the tripod. Got my old 3030, the old rusty. It'll do the job. This is my deer gun. I only have a probably 40-yard shot, and that's it. It's so bushy around here, I had to make a shooting lane, and that's as far as I got. That was a 2-hour sit, 2+ hours. I think I got here before 10 o'clock. It is lunchtime right now. No action. It started to snow, started getting windy here. This is what we're dealing with right now. Going in for an evening sit. And my brother. Sit until dark, I suppose. She's coming down. Ever since I got to the cabin there at lunch, it started snowing. Well, it was snowing, but not this bad. That was an unsuccessful evening. I only sat in my blind for an hour-ish. I went with my brother, like you seen there. We took in another chair, so that will stay there. There'll be two. And yeah, my brother-in-law showed up, came right to the blind, talking to us for a while. And then my brother said, "Oh, I'll go for a walk." So they both took off, making noise, talking. I can hear them in the distance. So I said, I guess I'll just pack it up. Too noisy. Try again tomorrow morning. It is probably only just after 5. So it will be getting dark here in a while. Around an hour. We're going in. Sit number 3. Finally got some north wind. Looks good with this snow. You can see deer tracks that I'm following right now. It's probably like -6 right now. And I forgot my camcorder back at home. So I had to give my mother a call to bring it. I guess the DSLR will have to do. Can't zoom in too far, but if a deer comes, I'm sure we'll get it on camera. That's the only buck we've seen so far. We've been sitting here for 5 minutes. This is getting ridiculous. We're heading back out. Back to the cabin. Back to the quad. Back. That is probably 5 hours of sitting altogether, which isn't very long at all. You just have to be here at the right time. I went to grab my card, swap cards. So we'll have a look at the cabin now. There's a few pictures. And yeah, I wasn't sure if they were coming to the bait, but it's all tore up. You can see the grass and the oats with this snow, so they've been hitting it. There's deer tracks everywhere. Maybe they're coming here at night though, which they probably are. Early morning, hopefully. I'll come back tomorrow morning while it's still dark, get in the blind and sit for a few hours again. But I think I'll end it right here. Should be long enough of a... I thought I stopped recording there, I hit a button. But that should be long enough. We're getting close. I know it. One of these days we'll have a buck down. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. No giving up. So with that, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. And one more thing. If there's any pictures from my SD card, which there probably is, I hope, again, I'll post them